Hey everybody, Kay here on the homestead. Just a very quick look at what I've been working on this morning. It is so hot. I've been posting on my community page and I'm reworking this bed. I have taken out all the garlic. Where'd it go? Oh, down there. And I was only going to take out part of it, and well, you'll see. Check out those clips. I am clearing out the soft neck garlic today, which is tiny and the necks are very shriveled, and I'm just leaving the hard neck for now. I probably put on 6 inches of leaf mulch, which has compressed down to 2 inches. I had to remove it to be able to plant something else back in here because there was that's full too. So the garlic that's the garlic. And my biggest one, I think it was this one. Yeah, my biggest one was lower than I expected because most of them weren't that deep. I cut into it and I'm gonna have to use that right away. Oh boy. Anyway, the soil underneath those 2 inches of compacted leaves, you see how wet it is. So wet. And I'm not sure if that helped it or hurt it. Something hurt it. Okay, I set 9 o'clock as my limit to stay out here. And I'm almost done. I went ahead and took out all the garlic because the hardneck garlic looks like this on the bottom. It's black and yucky, and it looks like it has tar on it or something. So I also was concerned about all these little seedlings of dill and eggplant getting, something's been going through the beds and digging. And so I'm going to be able to put and it could be these culprits over here. These could be the culprits. I don't know if it's this or if I've got, I mean, the cats didn't do this damage, you know, chewing off this. So, or this, see, this has all been chewed off. So I just said, hey, if I'm gonna go to this trouble to plant these tiny little seedlings this late, I need some protection. So I'm going to put one of those racks that I had on there until they get up and get strong, and then I'm going to put back all this mulch. Look at all this mulch I took off. This is the leaf mulch. I've got that and 2 of those. So anyway, the soil was really wet and it hasn't rained in days, so I guess a combination of being shaded part of the day and I don't know. This has hugel culture in the bottom of it, so I don't know why that is so damp. But I mixed in a bunch of ash from my bonfire. Actually, now that I think of it, I'm gonna have to take out these volunteer potatoes. They're not even ready. So, yeah, I gotta do that. Everyone, look. Look what I've got going on in my blueberry enclosure. I've got big, fat blueberries that are ripe and some are not ripe. That's interesting. And this is full of weeds. I never got in there and weeded all that. Oh dear. So that's tomorrow morning. Well, no, tomorrow morning I really need to do the side garden. So, oh, those are beautiful. Look at that. Oh my. Okay. Just went down to get a sprayer so I could water the raised bed, and walked through here and saw that. And look, this is shiso. I have to pull back for you to see the whole plant. That's a volunteer. So check out shiso, and look at these ants. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where is it? Where is it? There it is. Wait, is that an ant? If it is, it's got wings. Okay, I need that remedy. You guys gave me a remedy for the bad ants. I need that. Somebody please post a comment. Thank you. This is what's left. I sorted through it, so I sorted through it with a 1/4-inch screen, the one I brought from California. So you still have some nice pebbly kind of little ash to break up that thick, wet soil. So that sound is that's the mole deterrent, mole and vole deterrent. And so I don't know I think it's working. I think what's digging in my beds is probably a groundhog or something. I don't know, who knows. I did see a groundhog driving home down the road, so I know they're out and I know they're around, and haven't seen any here. I would think the cats would keep them away in the daytime, but I saw them in the daytime, so I don't know if groundhogs are all... Anyway, I just finished dumping that, and then I'm going to water, and then I'll have some words of wisdom. The other sprayer handle didn't work, but now you're starting to see the actual little plants that I put in here. There are 2 kinds of eggplant and dill. Yeah, that's all I put in here. Eggplant and dill. I just hope that they take off. And this is the heat wave from heck this week, so I think it's probably good that they're in a shadier place. These are the last plants to get in the ground. And these ground cherries are going on the tomato terrace because I had a lot of tomatoes fail. And I've got 4 more tomatoes there as possible backup. I don't even remember what this is. I think this is blue spice basil. Let's see. Which smells wonderful. Yep. And this is hyssop. So, oh, you know what I didn't plant was the other kind of eggplant. Wow. I might be able to just stick them in that. Nah, I'll put them somewhere else. And I've got a big Sweet Annie story for you coming up. Okay, it had to happen. That first blackberry. Okay, I'll be honest. It could have handled another day. And you know what? Maybe if I'd watered it. Tug on it a little bit and doesn't want to come off. I respect that. What about you? Ah, came right off. Well, let's try another one. The fact that it has a little red still on it makes me think it's not going to be that sweet. Oh, wow. That was different. You know, how do you come out with a bucket and pick a gallon of berries? I don't get it. There's only 1 or 2 ready a day. I gave myself till 9 a.m. and it's just after 9, and the air is becoming very thick and oppressive, and I'm not going to push it like I did yesterday. I only pushed it because I had help here and I knew if I keeled over he would like find me. But no, I literally put the hose over my neck and head 3 times yesterday to keep going. And I'll show you, I'll give you a little tour down there when we get it in a week. You know, we still have to neaten it up. We just wanted to get the plants in the ground, and so it needs some neatening up. But I was just listening to my podcast, as I do when I work in the morning, and he was talking about that we might have up to 30%, 30% inflation. And how many people are going to be able to survive on that, with that? I don't know that I can. So his overriding message is that we have to prepare. We have to, we can't even, it's not just some idea, some future idea anymore, you know. If you can't move right now, then make sure that you're stocking up and you're preparing and you've got some backup systems for the power. I mean, with these kind of heat waves, what do you think's going to happen? You think everybody's going to have consistent air conditioning all summer? I doubt it. So STACY was just talking about their favorite fan that they use, their battery powered fan. And so I'm thinking I'm going to get one, because there's no way I can sleep at night if it's hot and oppressive and there's no air blowing. But if there's air blowing on you, it is possible. And it is possible to stay cooler even if it's warm air blowing on you. So I guess because it blows the heat away, I don't know. So anyway, get serious, everybody. This is it's showtime. Okay, that's an old acting expression. It is showtime. So God bless you. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned to all the adventures, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.